Good morning. We are in our third day here in our little house. Third day. Wow, nakatatlong araw na kami dito. Tanggalin ko muna yung sinampay ko ngayon. We are in the third floor sa bahay na to. Tanggal ko na ako ng sinampay. Tulog pa sila. So, Dada is still sleeping for our third day. Third day today, sasampay na ako ng ilaban ko sa gabi. Ilaban sa gabi. Tinulungan ko kahapon. Manually. Kasi wala kami washing. Sasampay ko na lang to. Okay? Labare! So, ito muna isasampay ko ngayon. Sampay ko niya siya. Isip na aking baby. So, good morning, everyone. So, very nice to meet you. What? Inayos ko ang aking mga sampay. So, nagising ang aking baby. Ayun. Aga niyang nagising. Time check. What time is it? Let's see. 8:07 a.m. 8:07 a.m. for our third day today. Sampay day. Up. Wrap it up for our third day. Bye.